Blake with Swiss Watch Expo here, and this is one of the more unique looking Cartier watches I've ever seen. This is a beautiful looking Rotonde Chronograph, and I think it's unique for Cartier because of how much it looks like a classic chronograph, more than it does a Cartier. This is definitely reminiscent of some of the very classic sort of gentleman explorer type of chronographs that we might have seen, also a little reminiscent of some Vacheron chronographs too, but it's like little I've ever seen before. And even for people who might not be a fan of Cartier's larger men's watches, this is a really traditional looking watch that I think would make a beautiful addition to anyone's collection. It's got a beautiful authentic Cartier strap here, which is practically unworn, and a beautiful exhibition case back displaying a stunning looking movement. You know it wouldn't be Cartier if it wasn't beautiful and elegant, and this watch has got everything here. I love the smooth buttons here, the pushers as well. You'd hardly know it was a chronograph if you didn't know otherwise. Give us a call. This is the first one I've seen, and it might be the last at SwissWatchExpo.com.